This is Ava. She's in the little pack and play with a little help from a little thing. See, can you see her? Can you go push one of those for her so she can hear it?
Yeah.
There. Does she like it, Luke? Yeah? Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
What's your name?
Lukey.
Lukey what?
Look.
Lukey Young?
Yeah.
How old are you?
3.
You're gonna be 3, right? You're gonna be 3 years old?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of party are you gonna have?
Batman.
Batman party?
Yeah.
All right. Are we gonna go to Mimi and Papa's house soon?
Yeah.
You're what?
4.
No, remember last night we were going to bed? I said we're going to Mimi and Papa's and you go what? I'm excited. Is that what you said?
Chicken.
Excited. Are we gonna go to a baseball game?
Yeah.
We're gonna see fireworks?
Yeah.
All right. What else are we gonna do?
Pop-Tarts.
Eat Pop-Tarts?
Yeah.
All right. All right, there's Ava. She's been here for about 10 minutes. Jim, can you turn that TV down? All right. She's doing good in it. Did she like it?
Hi, I got a phone.
Hey, Ava. Hi, sweetie. Can you smile? Hey. Hi. Hi. Think she's liking it. Ava, can you smile? Hey, hey you. Hi. Hi. Hey you. Hi. Hey, okay. All right, we'll see you later.